Write a Python program to print all numbers in an interval. We provide a range. Let's start write the code. We take lower limit. Then we take upper limit. Then we use for loop for num in range, lower limit, and pass upper limit plus 1. Then we write if condition if number is greater than 1. Then we write for loop for I starts with 2. Num if when num is divided by I, it gives the remainder 0, means it is not a prime number. Then we use break statement because we did not print the numbers. When we write else condition, print num. Let's run this code. We write our lower limit and upper limit. We can see 2, 3, 5, 7. These numbers are our prime numbers. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.